Hello, my name is Jo Kurino and I am CEO of Elitist Corporation, which is based out in Nagoya, Japan, and also the co-chairman of Japan Wix Promotion Project based in Fukuoka, Japan. Today I am going to teach you how to build your own free website on Wix.com. Wix.com is a content management system, otherwise known as a CMS, that helps you create free websites. Wix.com's benefits include free usage. It also includes more than 200 templates. No programming is needed whatsoever, and you're able to create your own domain. You can also create a website with e-commerce, and you can also add third-party applications to help enhance your website in order for you to create a website that can help provide more effective services to your customers. In this video, you will learn how to create a basic web presence website. Today, having a website is as fundamental as having a business card. While you do not need a fancy website for most businesses, having an online presence is important to show your legitimacy and promote what you do. In this video, I will teach you how easy it is to use Wix to build a professional looking website. I will walk you through the process of choosing a template and then show you how to customize it using the Wix editor. Next, I will show you some third-party applications that you can integrate into your website. I will also teach you how to create a free mobile version of your site. Those are the basic steps you need to publish your first website on Wix. I will also explain the differences between a free website and a premium site. I will then show you how to manage your website and online presence using the Wix site's dashboard. There you can connect your website to a custom domain, reach out to your contacts, and access third-party applications designed to help you increase your business. Following this video, you may also want to check out some videos on Wixshift.com. Wixshift.com will provide you a lot of tutorials and a lot of videos to help enhance your business. Now, let's get started. As an overview, I will talk about templates and how you can choose a template for your site. I will conduct the Wix Editor Demo. I will tell you how to integrate third-party applications into your website. We will discuss the mobile editor. I will teach you how to publish your site. I will explain details about the site dashboard. And I will explain some details in regards to the third-party apps that I mentioned before. Okay? Now, as you see on the screen, I am at Wix.com. That is a URL for Wix. Okay, and once you come here, I want you to notice that you can choose whatever language options that you would like to use. I prefer to use English, but a lot of our users are in Japan, so I just want to remind you that you can choose the Japanese language option. Once you log in, there will be some Japanese-based templates that you may choose in order for you to localize your businesses. Okay, now let's sign in. Okay. When you want to sign in, all you have to do is enter your email address and a password. And if you have a Facebook account and a Google account, you may also just click the button over there and sign in with your account. Okay. In this situation, I already have an account, so I'm just going to just enter my login information on the screen, as you see. Okay. My dashboard is a little bit different from a new user. If you're a new user, once you come in, there'll be a toggle, there'll be a prompt to ask if you want to choose a template. Since I am an existing user, this doesn't show up, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the button template at the top. Okay. Okay, here you go. Here is the template page. Wix templates are totally flexible, and opposed to using CMSs such as Jimdo or other CMSs out there, you can change every content within your template here. We'll say you can change your images, you can change your color scheme, you can change your text, you can change the size of the text, the colors, and much more. And then you can also add third-party applications such as Google Maps, Google Calendar, contact forms, and such to help enhance your website. Inside this page, you will probably notice that you can choose various templates. It's not only based on just design, but it's also based on categories. There are more than 60 web designers within Wix. They create templates, they create buttons, and all the other effects that you will find within your templates. And there are more than 200 templates. Okay, and now when you look at the categories, there's a category that says new, which provides information about the newest templates that Wix has created. There's popular templates and there's blank templates. I am a graphic designer by trade, and however, I don't have a lot of experience with computer programming, so I will usually choose blank templates because all I have to do is do my work inside Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, create parts and save it as a photo image, and I just paste it into Wix, and I don't have to do any programming whatsoever. If you're not a professional web designer, there's still plenty of aesthetically pleasing templates in here, and you can just choose it based on the industry that you work in. So such industries may include advertising and marketing, computing and applications, consulting businesses, religion and nonprofit organizations, and sports and recreational businesses, and much more. Even if you're in the music industry, if you're in the fashion industry, Wix has all the templates that you may need. Okay, and one thing also I will also want you to note is that when you look at these templates, there's not only a thumbnail there, but there are also buttons that says view and edit. Okay, by clicking on view, okay, you're able to see how your website will look if it was actually live. And so let's see how this template will look if it was actually a live website. Okay. Okay, please hold on for a second since my Wi-Fi is reacting slow. Okay, here. Okay, so this is actually how this template will look if it was an actual website. Okay, you can click on all the buttons, and you get to actually see how it would function if it was an actual real website. If you like your template, all you have to do is click on the edit this site button, which is at the top, or you can return back to your Wix site here, and you can just click on edit. I will go ahead and click on edit over here. Okay. Now by clicking edit, the screen is taking me to the Wix HTML5 editor. As you may have noticed at this moment, there's no download necessary. There's no need for you to purchase any software in order to create a website. Okay, please hold on for a second. Okay, here. Now this is your Wix editor. Okay, this is where you do all the design work and all this the setup for your website. Let me take you on a tour of the Wix editor. First, let's look at the top black bar. This is called the top menu. At the far left corner, there's the Wix button. By clicking on this blue arrow here, you're able to see your account settings and all the other information pertaining to your website. Next to the Wix logo is the desktop editor, which is this screen that you see over here. This is where you edit a PC-based website. Next to it is a icon of a cell phone. This is called the mobile editor. This is where you work on creating a mobile-based website. Next to it is the page selector. Okay, by clicking on it, you can scroll down and choose any page that you're working at, because you can only work on one page at a time when you're designing your website. Okay. Next to the page selector is the quick find search window. By clicking in here and typing some keywords, you can choose all the tools necessary to edit your website. Next to the quick find search window are these two arrows here. The first one is the undo button, and the second one is the redo button. So if you're designing something and you don't like what you see, you can always undo it, or if you want to return back to it, you can always redo it. Next to those two arrows is the copy and the paste button. Okay, you can choose any item, whether it's text, image, and much more. Or for instance, if you have any text in your Microsoft Word document and you want to paste it into your text box here in your Wix editor, all you have to do is copy and paste also. Okay. Next to the copy and paste button are the grid line buttons. Okay. By clicking it on and off, you can place a grid line onto your Wix editor. The top line here signifies your header for your website, and the bottom line here signifies the footer of your website. Okay. On the sides here on the left and right, this is actually a grid line to show if your website is created with optimum view. So whether you're designing a PC-based website or a mobile-based website, everything is within the confines of these lines on the left and right. It will show up. Okay. Next to your grid line button is the Snap to Objects button. This is to help you align all items so everything is well balanced. So for instance, I'm going to click this shape here, this black shape here that's inside catalog. Okay. Okay, this box over here. And by dragging it over to the right, you may notice that there's a purple line that emerges here. Yes, this is to show that everything is aligned and everything is balanced. Okay, but I want to put everything back to how it was. So I'm just going to click the undo button at the top bar here. Okay, yeah, so everything is back to normal. Okay, next to the Snap to Objects button is the Rulers and Guides button. Okay, by clicking it, yes, you get to bring a guideline over here, and you're able to align whatever you may have to align. So by shifting this over here, I have a guideline, and I might want to move all my objects over to the guideline.